come along with me while we harvest some of our fall vegetables. So back on September the 10th, we planted turnips. And look at this bad boy here. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see how he looks as he comes up. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? What a beautiful turnip. So this is a purple top turnip, and we planted in September, and honestly, this is a meal in itself. If it's cooked with the root and the greens, a little bit of cornbread, good to go. Even though it's late in the season, we're going to harvest some of our herbs today. We're going to put them in this. This is part of our seed starting tray, and it's designed for you to be able to harvest in. Our planters produce such a bountiful harvest this fall. It's amazing that we can still be harvesting late November and early December. If you all have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@greenstalkgarden.com. Happy gardening!